What is the total square footage of a 10 by 10 room?
Hey there! Have you ever wondered how to calculate the square footage of a room? In this quick video, we're going to break down how to find the total square footage of a 10 by 10 room. Let's get started.
What is square footage?
Square footage is a measure of area. It refers to the number of square feet, a unit of area, that an object or space occupies. In the context of rooms or spaces, it tells us how much surface area is covered, usually referring to the floor space. This is a fundamental concept in real estate, architecture, and interior design. The bigger the number, the larger the space.
How is it calculated?
To calculate the square footage of a rectangular or square room, you simply multiply the length by the width. For our 10 by 10 room, length equals 10 feet, width equals 10 feet, square footage equals length x width square footage equals 10 feet by 10 feet equals 100 square feet. So, a 10 by 10 room has a total of 100 square feet.
Why is knowing square footage important?
Understanding the square footage of a room can be crucial for various reasons. 1. Planning renovations. You might need to know the size to buy the right amount of paint, flooring, or tiles. 2. Real estate. When buying or selling a property, the square footage can impact the price and desirability of a space. 3. Furniture planning. To ensure furniture fits comfortably and the room doesn't feel overcrowded. There you have it. A 10 by 10 room has a total of 100 square feet. It's always handy to know how to calculate the square footage of a space, whether you're planning a renovation, buying a new home, or just rearranging your furniture. We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, happy measuring!